Magnesium is the fourth most abundant nutrient in our body. It is involved in more than 600 chemical reactions in our body, from DNA synthesis to muscle contraction. The optimal magnesium level is essential to maintain the proper functioning of the brain, maintain a healthy heartbeat, and regulate muscle contraction. Magnesium deficiency is also known as hypomagnesemia and is often an overlooked health problem. It has been estimated that nearly 70% of Americans are not meeting the recommended daily intake. Today's video will talk about 7 indicators of magnesium deficiency to help you understand that you might be deficient in it. We will also discuss the causes of magnesium deficiency. So, let us get started. Number 1. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is characterized by weak bones and an increased risk of bone fractures. Interestingly, it has been observed that magnesium deficiency is a risk factor for osteoporosis. Studies found that if the diet does not contain adequate magnesium, it can reduce bone mass by lowering the blood levels of calcium, which is the main building block of bones. Number 2. Muscle twitches and cramps. One of the telltale signs of magnesium deficiency are twitches, tremors, and muscle cramps. In worst-case scenarios, deficiency may even cause seizures or convulsions. This is due to calcium overflow into nerve cells, which hyperstimulates the muscle nerves. Magnesium supplements may help relieve muscle twitches and cramps in individuals with a deficiency. However, it should be kept in mind that involuntary muscle twitches may have other causes, like stress or too much caffeine. Number 3. Mental health disorders. Another possible consequence of magnesium deficiency is mental health disorders. These include apathy, characterized by lack of emotion or mental numbness, and, if the deficiency is worse, it may even lead to delirium and coma. Additionally, studies have found that low magnesium levels are associated with an increased risk of depression and anxiety. Want to know more about brain health? Check out our video on the 7 best vitamins for the nerves. Number 4. High blood pressure. Magnesium deficiency increases the risk of heart disease by promoting high blood pressure. This mineral helps prevent the constriction of blood vessels, which can increase blood pressure. Studies have suggested that magnesium supplements may lower blood pressure, especially in adults with high blood pressure. Number 5. Irregular heartbeat. In the case of most severe magnesium deficiency, it can lead to heart arrhythmia or irregular heartbeat. The symptoms of arrhythmia are mild in most cases, but in some people it may cause heart palpitations, which are pauses between heartbeats. Arrhythmia may increase the risk of stroke or heart failure. The potassium balance inside and outside of the heart muscle cells is disturbed, a condition associated with magnesium deficiency. Some people with congestive heart failure and arrhythmia have been shown to have lower magnesium levels than people who do not have the condition. Number 6. Asthma. Lack of magnesium may cause the buildup of calcium in the muscles lining the lungs' airways, which causes the constriction of airways, making breathing more difficult. That is why inhalers with magnesium sulfate are sometimes given to people with severe asthma to help relax and expand the airways. Scientists believe severe asthma may be a symptom of magnesium deficiency in some people, but further studies are needed to investigate its role. Number 7. Fatigue and muscle weakness. Fatigue is characterized by weakness or mental or physical exhaustion. Fatigue may be simply due to working long hours or not sleeping properly. But if the fatigue is persistent or severe, it may be a sign of a health problem. Another specific sign of magnesium deficiency is muscle weakness, also known as myasthenia. Scientists believe the weakness is caused by the loss of potassium in muscle cells, a condition associated with magnesium deficiency. Therefore, magnesium deficiency is one possible cause of fatigue or weakness. So, viewers, these are the 7 most common signs of magnesium deficiency. Now, we will talk about 5 main causes of low magnesium levels in the body. Long-term vomiting or diarrhea, A poor diet, especially in older people or those who do not have enough to eat. Kidney problems. Long-term use of diuretics. Alcoholism. Remember, this video is for educational purposes. We are not giving you medical advice. You should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Do you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification button to view more upcoming Create Cure content.